In this video, we're going to show how two rectangles that have the same area can have different perimeters. So we have a problem like this. It says two rectangles with the same area can have different perimeters. The perimeter of the blue rectangle is 26 kilometers. What are the dimensions of the blue rectangle? So we know that these both have the same area, but the perimeter is different. So let's try to figure this out. Step 1. Let's find the area of the pink rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is length times the width, which is 5 times 6 for this one, which equals 30. Now, we know what the area of the blue, we know that the area of the blue rectangle is also 30. Okay? So we can make a list of dimensions that give an area of 30. So what two numbers multiplied together give 30? And there's a bunch of them, right? There's 1 times 30, that equals 30. There's 2 times 15, that equals 30. There's 3 times 10, that equals 30. You can't multiply anything by 4, that's a whole number, that'll give you 30. But 5 times 6 will give you 30. So that's how you do it. You kind of start with 1, 2, 3, 4 doesn't work, but 5 does. So we have a list here of 4 numbers that multiply together to give 30. So now what we can do is add the dimensions of each to find the perimeter that equals 26. So to find the perimeter of this rectangle, this has a length of 30 and a width of 1, right? So when you do perimeter, you walk around the whole thing. So say this is 30 and this is 1. This would be 30 and this is 1. So you'd go 30 plus 1 plus 30 plus 1. So that's how this is. That equals 62. And then what if it was 2 and 15? So it would be 2 here and 15 here. So it would be, and maybe you're starting here. So 2 plus 15 plus 2 plus 15 for the perimeter. That gives you 34. Then do the next one. So it might be 3 here and 10 here. So if you start here and you walk around the whole perimeter, so 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 10 equals 26. And let's just do the last one for fun. If this was 6 and this is 5, so start here. 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 equals 22. Well, the problem tells us that the perimeter of this blue rectangle is 26 kilometers. So we know it's this one. And just remember, for perimeter, picture yourself walking around the entire outside of the shape, which is what we did. So the dimensions of the blue rectangle are 3 by 10 because this perimeter is 26. So 10 and 3. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. I have links in the description below to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra practice. As well, you could download the ebook. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. There's a link in the ebook to this actual video and you can click on it and follow along. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.